Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most jaw-dropping machines ever built. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling palace, a luxury mansion on wheels that carries the legendary name Kenworth W900 into the future. The 2026 model is not just a motorhome, it's a dream lifestyle, designed to shock you the moment you see it. From the outside, the Kenworth W900 keeps its bold, unmistakable presence. That huge chrome grille, the classic long hood, and the towering exhaust stack scream power and tradition. But the designers didn't just stick to heritage. They upgraded the exterior with futuristic LED accents, aerodynamic touches, and luxury detailing that transforms this highway beast into a head-turning masterpiece. Whether you're parked at a luxury resort or roaring down the interstate, this motorhome looks like a king of the road. But the real magic begins when you step inside. Opening the door feels like walking into a luxury penthouse. The living room greets you with spacious seating wrapped in handcrafted leather, a smart control system that adjusts lighting, temperature, and even the entertainment system with just your voice. Giant panoramic windows flood the space with natural light by day and offer a stargazer's dream at night. Hidden ambient LED lighting creates moods that shift from calm relaxation to vibrant party vibes at the touch of a button. The craftsmanship here is second to none. Real hardwood trims, marble-inspired flooring, and polished metallic accents make it clear that every detail was designed with luxury in mind. It feels less like a motorhome and more like a private residence traveling wherever you want to go. The kitchen is another showstopper. This isn't some compact RV kitchenette. It's a full gourmet kitchen. You get a full-size stainless steel refrigerator, an induction cooktop, an oven, a smart microwave, and even a built-in espresso machine for your morning coffee. Cabinets are soft close, countertops are high-end quartz, and there's more than enough storage for long adventures. Imagine cooking a 5-star meal while parked in the middle of a national park. That's the lifestyle the Kenworth W900 Motorhome promises. The bedroom takes comfort to the next level. A king-size bed with a premium memory foam mattress awaits, complete with luxury bedding and customizable lighting. There are built-in wardrobes, hidden storage spaces, and even a retractable 55-inch 4K smart TV that slides out with a touch. It's like a first-class hotel suite, but you can take it anywhere in the world. The bathroom is equally stunning, a spa experience on wheels. A rainfall shower with glass doors, heated flooring, elegant vanity mirrors, and luxury fixtures that feel like something straight out of a high-end apartment. The designers even included smart water controls to save resources while still giving you ultimate comfort. And let's not forget, this isn't just a pretty face. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is powered by a monster engine built for performance, endurance, and smooth driving. You get the reliability of a legendary long-haul truck combined with modern technology that ensures every ride feels stable and quiet inside. It's the perfect mix of raw muscle and refined elegance. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about redefining freedom. You're not booking hotels, you're not tied to one place, you're taking a luxury mansion everywhere you go. Whether it's the mountains, the desert, or the coast, this machine delivers luxury living on your terms. So, what do you think? Is this the ultimate road warrior's dream come true? One thing is certain, no other motorhome blends power, tradition, and ultra-luxury quite like the Kenworth W900. This is the future of road travel, and it's here to shock the world. Stick around because I've got even more insane reviews coming up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because at Auto Plus, we bring you the most unbelievable machines on the planet.